Hey there, I'm in the southwest section of Cape Coral on a beautiful sunny day. The weather's starting to cool off down here in southwest Florida, and I wanted to come over here and show you this property because I think it's been flying under a lot of people's radar. This house has been completely renovated inside and out. I think they spent well into the six figures on this remodel, and it really shows. I'm very impressed with the level of finishes. They redid everything from the kitchen to the flooring, to everything on the inside and out, even brand new hurricane impact windows and doors. Plus, we're on this beautiful freshwater canal system right here with access to lakes and all that, but we're not in the flood zone. So you get your Florida waterfront real estate, but you don't have to have that flood insurance if you don't want it. And really, I just can't wait to show you this property. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. By the way, I do videos like this every single week. Today we're seeing a beautiful home, but oftentimes these videos are just about really good info regarding Cape Coral and Southwest Florida. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification button so you don't miss these weekly videos. Welcome to 630 Southwest 11th Place. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's only 7 years old, built in 2018, just under 1,900 square feet of living area on a beautiful freshwater canal, and it's been completely redone on the inside. I mean, a really top-notch renovation. This home is in a top-notch, quiet Southwest Cape Coral neighborhood. It's just been reduced to $444,900. It has tremendous curb appeal with the nice landscape package out here in the pavered driveway. And like I said, absolutely no expense has been spared in taking this home way above anything else you're going to see in this price point. It's basically brand new, and the finishes are unlike any other new construction home you're going to find in this price range. I mean, check out the detail in the tile floor of this entryway. It's just immediately impressive walking through the front door. And this is a split bedroom floor plan, so you've got the first 2 guest rooms up in the front, along with that guest bath right as you walk in. And then the primary suite is on the other side of the house in the back, and we'll get there in a minute. Everything in this house is brand new. This high-end tile flooring is throughout the whole house. The interior doors are all solid core upgrades. The fixtures are all brand new and contemporary. And one thing I really love is the sellers added a tremendous amount of recessed lighting in the ceilings throughout the entire house, which really just brightens everything up. Of course, this guest bathroom is all completely updated, including this incredible walk-in shower. And if you think this one is impressive, wait until you see the primary bathroom's walk-in shower. And here's the second guest bedroom. And again, all the windows and doors you're seeing in this house are high-end hurricane impact glass. So you're going to get those really nice homeowners insurance discounts for having those. It really saves a ton on insurance by having those. Plus, you don't have to worry about having to put up hurricane shutters if a storm is on the way, especially for people who are maybe looking at a Florida property as a second home. That's really a lot of peace of mind in having those. Here's the laundry, which is in a really nice centralized location among the guest bedrooms. This is also right in front of the garage entry, which we'll see here in just a second. And this is the 4th bedroom, and I also see a lot of people use this room as maybe a den or an office. And they've even replaced the closet shelves in all these bedrooms with these nice wood slat ones versus those cheap wire ones that you often see in the new construction homes. Again, just a tremendous attention to detail has been put into this entire remodel. Even the garage has this nice showroom epoxy floor, and they've painted accent walls in here. This garage also has a mini split air conditioning unit in here, so it can be kept cool for a workshop or maybe a fun game room if you were going to use this house as a vacation rental or something. There's also a water treatment system in here, so the water quality in this house is also top-notch. Okay, back inside, and now we're going to get to the really good stuff. For starters, check out this open island kitchen. Again, everything here is brand new. We've got these beautiful 2-tone quartz countertops with the white ones along the wall cabinets, and then the accented gray one on that big central island. Of course, the stainless steel appliances are all new, and it has this beautiful glossy subway tile backsplash that really just ties all of the colors in here together, especially with these custom shaker cabinets with those really popular contemporary gold pulls. I know when we remodeled our kitchen recently, my wife insisted on having that gold cabinet hardware, and we really love how ours turned out. And these cabinets are also wooden with dovetail joint construction and soft closed doors and drawers. Just a really top-notch kitchen, and it's open to the breakfast nook and the living room, both of which have excellent waterfront canal views out of the rear of the house. By the way, they're saying all the furnishings and the decor in here are negotiable with the house, so if you're a big fan of how all of the furniture and interior design looks in here, like certainly I am, you can buy this house exactly as you're seeing it right now. All right, let's get over to the primary suite, which is right off of the living room. Again, the recessed lights in this primary bedroom just make this really, really bright, especially with all of that natural light coming in from the waterfront views out through these sliding impact windows facing the rear. Now wait until you see this primary bathroom. It has this really sleek, translucent barn door entry, which also allows some of that natural light to come in from the bedroom. And I know I'm sounding redundant, but again, everything in here has been completely redesigned with brand new fixtures and cabinets and sinks and mirrors and lights, all of it. And then this might be the masterpiece of the entire house. I absolutely love this huge walk-in shower. It has these beautiful floor-to-ceiling tile walls, and actually it's 2 showers in one. It's got a separate ceiling rain head, wand, and wall niche, and separate controls on either side of this big shower. And the primary bathroom finishes out with a private lavatory and a really good-sized walk-in closet. Again, with these upgraded wood slat shelves and organizers, there's just a lot packed into this primary bathroom. All right, let's head outside to this beautiful waterfront. It starts out through these hurricane impact French doors out to a nice covered and screened lanai, which overlooks the backyard and that really tranquil canal out back. I think I might have to come back here and sit for a minute before I leave today. This is just beautiful and quiet, and it's the perfect day to sit here and watch that waterfront. There's tons of room back here to put in a really nice pool package too, which would be incredible on this home. The right side of the house has this beautiful areca palm privacy hedge, and it runs the entire length of the property. And check out that crane flying by. There's just so much wildlife on this canal back here that I've seen since I've been here. As you can see, there's already a seawall in place here, which is a major upgrade for these freshwater canal homes. And it would allow you to put in a nice dock or something right here. You know, this canal is connected to miles of other canals and smaller lakes and things like that, so it's perfect for fishing and boating and kayaking or even jet skis. I think these freshwater canal systems are one of the biggest secrets Cape Coral has to offer because they allow you to have that incredible Southwest Florida waterfront lifestyle, but unlike the Gulf access canals, which we're mostly known for here in Cape Coral, most of the homes on these freshwater canals are not in that AE flood zone, so you don't have to have flood insurance. Plus, these homes on average are about $250,000 cheaper than their Gulf access counterparts. They're just an incredible value for what they offer here in Cape Coral. So I saw this property a little while back and I couldn't wait to get over here and actually put eyes on it, and I'm very glad I did because I am so incredibly impressed with this home. You know, they did just reduce the price to under $445,000. They completely did a well into the six-figure complete interior and exterior remodel of this entire house. And I think it's flying under a lot of people's radar because at that $445,000 price point, they're sort of competing with brand new construction production builder homes on these freshwater canals. And I'm telling you right now, if you go into those production builder homes, even though they're brand new, the level of finishes and upgrades you're going to find in those homes are nowhere near what they've done in this place right here. I mean, typically you're going to find a lot of times those production homes might have carpet in the bedrooms, kind of a base level tile, maybe throughout other areas, kind of a decent kitchen, but nothing compared to this. Everything in this home is brand new on the inside, everything from the high tier flooring throughout the entire house all the way to the kitchen cabinets, the drawers, the backsplash, the appliances are brand new, and even the impact windows and doors. You might find a couple of new construction homes that has impact windows and doors, but these are kind of high-end impact windows and doors, and like I said, they're brand new. So for my money at $445,000 versus some new construction property that you're able to get, it doesn't even come close to comparing to this property. I mean, the level of finishes in here are just head and shoulders above what you're going to find in those new construction properties, and I think that's kind of why it's flying under the radar. But if you're looking in this price range, particularly for something on a freshwater canal like this, not in a flood zone, by the way, you really owe it to yourself to come over there and see it, and give me a call. I would love nothing more than to come back over here because I'm really enjoying my time at this beautiful freshwater newly remodeled home. It's very, very impressive. All in all, this is just a top-notch home in a top-notch neighborhood. This street has a number of really nice properties like this. Plus, it's centrally located, and yet it's a really quiet neighborhood, especially back there on the canal. All of the city water and sewer is already in at this home, and the utility assessments are long paid off, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. It just has everything going for it. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed watching this video at least half as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm just really loving life out here on this freshwater canal. The weather's perfect today. It's in mid-October right now. It's breezy, upper 70s, low humidity. It's only going to get better and better as we get into the later months of the year. But if you did enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. It just helps me out, helps the channel out. And also make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed, so you can see these videos every single week. If you are interested in this property, I've got a link to the MLS listing down in the description of this video. And of course, my contact information is right on the screen there, and it's down in the description as well. So if I can help you with anything, buying or selling a property anywhere in Southwest Florida, certainly give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, whatever it takes. But thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.